Assalamu alaikum. In the previous video, these formulas were written, and the final stage was that we will be measuring the length of these vectors VBA and VB to determine the magnitudes. So as we have drawn this VA according to scale and it is 5 centimeter, means this is equal to 1000 millimeter per second. So in this way we will be measuring these vectors VBA and VB. So first of all, we for example measure VBA using this scale, and we can place the scale like this here. And remember, we cannot resize for the measurement of the these velocity vectors. We will be keeping a size constant as it was specified or fixed before the analysis. So we will be here like this, we will be placing. So here, as we can observe very carefully, that this is 1 2 3 4 5, and it is approximately equal to 5.4, for example 5.4 centimeter. So that means the magnitude of the VB dash A actually VB dash A is actually 5.4 centimeter multiplied by 200. So this will come out to be, here we can calculate that the scale is 200 millimeter and we will be multiplying it with 5.4, and this will come out to be 1080. Means the velocity of VB is 1080 millimeter. So we can calculate here, we can type that B dash A is equal to 1080, and divided by AB length is given as we can observe from the statement of the problem, that AB is actually 120 millimeter. So in this way we can divide it by 120. Remember that the units homogeneity must be very carefully observed. We should not make any mistake. Means in the numerator the units are 1080 millimeter per second. So in the denominator it must be 120 millimeters, so that the units homogeneity remains and the results are not altered. As we can observe that we will be dividing it by 120, and this will come out to be about 9 radian per second. So the angular velocity for the link, capillary link A B dash in the cross loop position is 30 radian per second, 9 radian per second. And in a similar manner we now be measuring with the help of this scale the vector VB. So we will again be moving and we will be placing its edge coinciding. So this will be a bit technical, so as we do practice and exercise, so this will not take much time. Here like this approximately, as you can observe that now we can measure the velocity of output velocity of VBA. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and it is approximately, for example, by inspection it looks 8.1 centimeter. So we will be multiplying 8.1 multiplied by 200 means the scale, and it comes out to be 1620 millimeter per second. So the velocity of the rocker VB dash in this position is given by 1620 millimeter per second, and we will be dividing it by the rocker length O4B dash, and that is actually the length of the link 4C. This is 80 millimeter, so we will be dividing it by 80, and this will be calculated as to be, we will be dividing it by 80, and this will come out to be 20.25 radians. Second, now it is the task for the students that they will be practically drawing this velocity diagram, and they will be verifying whether these results are correct or not. So I have just explained the method. So if you find any mistake, let me know. Thanks. Assalamu alaikum.